This is a payment proof of what I am able to get within minutes by just using this new platform, which I have never shown or shared with you previously. You will be able to earn $5.04 by just using this kind of strategy within minutes. So I'm not telling you within weeks or months, but within minutes. In order to make it work, you will need to watch the video till the end and follow every single step that I'm going to share with you today. So make sure to stick around till the end. Welcome back into Better Personal Growth, guys. As you may have seen recently, we are sharing with you videos and methods, strategies on making money online and making it easier, because this thanks to step-by-step tutorials that we are sharing daily. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more coming up day by day, want to see more new videos, more new strategies and websites presented to you, make sure to show your support by giving a big thumb up below, by subscribing and pushing the notifications on, so whenever we post new video you will get notified and not miss them. This kind of strategy that I'm going to present to you today is going to include a lot of websites, so in order not to get confused, watch the video till the end. It's going to work worldwide and it's going to be easy for all of you to use it. This because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. This is the platform that we will be using today. You will not need to have any special skill at all. You will not need to have any previous skill and so on. Just make sure to follow every step. The very first platform that we'll be using today to make money online, which is going to pay us, it's called Hyrazine.com. At the end of this video, guys, I'm going to share with you even a bonus platform which is going to help you to make this work easier. So make sure to stick around till the end, to stay tuned till the end. And now, what is Hyrazine.com? What is this kind of platform? It's a platform where you can come here and do different jobs online and get paid by just working from home. This is totally made online and everyone can use it at home with their desktop, with their laptop, a computer or a phone and so on. You can get better flexibility because you can work within different times, you can get more time, more free one, and you can get freedomness. What it means is that because you are working from home, this is you will decide when you are going to work and how you are going to work and how much. And this is why it's one of the best platforms to use. What kind of works can you get here and how you can get hired? It's by typing jobs, by doing paid service jobs, and by proofreading as well jobs. And you can see even other work jobs by just clicking into current openings, and you will be directed into this page and see how much positions are opened into different jobs. Now make sure to see this with a lot of attention, because what you will need to do here is to choose between of the best. So as you may see, they are offering typing jobs, they are offering proofreading jobs, paid service jobs as well, graphic design jobs, PowerPoint job presentation, spreadsheet entry job, voice recognition job, online advertisements, and language translation jobs. I know that a lot of people can find themselves here, but what is important is that I'm going to choose one of those that it's going to pay us more, or one of those that I like most. So in my example, I'm just going to choose proofreading jobs. Why so? It's because, as I told you, thanks to the bonus website at the end, it's going to make my work easier, and I'm going to get paid every single minute that I pass to work there. So I will be able to earn $5 to $10 per every single page. So if we consider that this kind of proofreading that we are going to do is going to have 5 pages, how much I'm going to get paid is $50 by just making proofreading online. Don't worry, again, I'm highlighting it. You will not need to have any special skill on English or any other stuff like that, because thanks to the bonus website I will share with you. This is how it's going to work. In order to access it, you will just click into this highlighted pages over here and be directed into this main page. Before we go there, if you want to see if this kind of platform is totally legit, you can scroll to the very end of the page and see which is the companies are accepting or supporting it, which is Torrey Pines, Taylor, IKEA, BMW, and Winsoft as well. So it makes us sure that it is totally secure to use. So when you click into proofreading jobs, you will just see that you can have options of full-time and part-time jobs, so you can choose between all of them. You will need to be more than 60 years old, because otherwise you can't use this kind of platforms. And you can see that here you can have competitive pay, flexible hours, and great colleagues. Here that the competitive pay, you can see that again it's written here that you will be able to earn from $5 to $10. Now guys, I want to say something here to you, so just don't get so high expectation, because at the very beginning of the work you will not get paid so much, same as the older ones that have used this kind of platforms for years and years. So don't get like disappointed and so on. You will for real get paid $10, but you can get paid even less than that. But what is important is that minimum it's $5 at all. So again, you will be able to earn a lot of money. Now, in order to become an affiliate, promoter, proofreader person here, you will just click into apply to be an online proofreader, and you will be directed here. You will need to type your username, your password, continue with the apply option right over here by completing some other information like again username, email, and so on. I'm not going to show them all, so I will not make this video longer without not being necessary. Now what is important is of the bonus website. This platform is called reverso.net. And why is this a bonus? It's because here you can make it easier when you create your new account into Hyrazine, just to make a spell and a correction of the grammar. So the hard work is going to get paid or done. It's going to get done by reverso.net. And what you will do is just copying the proofreading option or document that this platform will give you and pasting it here and clicking into rephrase or check as well. Another bonus platform that I will highly recommend to you to use is googledocs.com. I'm sure that most of you know this kind of platform, and you may know that whenever you upload a video, whenever you upload a document into Google Docs, they will just make a correction by themselves. So they can make a correction, for example, with a red line or blue line, which is mean that you will need to have to do some changes toward them. And in order to access googledocs.com, you will need to download it into your App Store or Play Store as well. And what you're gonna do as well is the same thing as I told you into the spell checker, reverso.net, just copying the document that this platform will give to you, and after that going back to Google Docs and uploading there or pasting there your document or your what you have written there. And this is how you will be able to earn a lot of money online within minutes by just spending a lot of time with it and a lot of demand. And yeah guys, if you like this kind of platform and if you want to see more, as always, make sure to subscribe and push the notifications on, and thank you for watching.